Hello, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're doing good. I just wanted to bring you two new tune forks, and these are brand new, and I'm kind of trying them out to see. I've been in it maybe like a day or two, and everything seems to be okay. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, but I just wanted to bring this to you. First one is Galaxy Finance, and it's basically just a tune fork. This one is on the Moonbeam network, which is a parachain of Polkadot. So this is like a new network, and you have to buy this. The native token here is the GLMR. So you have to add the Moonbeam to your wallet. I have MetaMask, the RPC, and you can look that up. Sometimes when you just come like to one of these websites, it'll automatically prompt you to add the, I think it did that for, I just came here and I didn't have the Moonbeam, so it just like put all the information and it just said add. But you can look, you just look online for RPC Moonbeam, and you should be able to find the information. See, you make sure it says Moonbeam Network, and then you click on this, and you have to look for the, maybe you have to say, I mean, this is not the way actually I did it, but usually this is the way you should be able to do it. Probably to MetaMask, or if you're using like the Trust wallet or whatever wallet, connect Moonbeam to MetaMask. See Moonbeam Network tutorial, more of what you're probably looking for. This is the information you have to enter into your MetaMask. You click on here, and then you go to settings, networks. See settings, networks, and then you'll have to enter this information in here and hit save, and then you'll have the network added. And you also do that here for Quartz Finance. This one is on the Harmony 1 if you're not on that, and the native token is the 1 Harmony. And you do the same thing. You do whatever wallet you have. If you have MetaMask, how to connect to Harmony Network, and you'll make sure it's the right URL for them, not some fake thing. And then you just add the networks to your wallet. Once you do that, I'm in the US, but other people around the world are in different places, and I think other people can buy it on Binance. I didn't see these tokens on Binance US. I did see Harmony. I was able to buy Harmony on Binance US. But for the Glimmer or whatever, GLMR, I'm not sure exactly what it stands for, GLMR token, I had to buy it on KuCoin. So I had to like send some, you can buy with your credit card there on KuCoin, any token, or just, buy a token and then sell it and for USDT, and then buy the token you want with the USDT. That's what I did. I had to send over like Litecoin or Bitcoin, sell it for USDT on KuCoin, and then once I had the USDT, I could buy my Glimmer with my USDT. Then I sent it over to my MetaMask because I had my network there. Then I came over here, and right now for this one, they only have, okay, well, it wants me to log in. For this one, only some of the farms are live. Excuse me, sorry about that. For this one, only the ones that are giving the GLS, the G share rewards are not live till tomorrow. So if you pick a pool, make sure it's the one that's giving GLX. And over here, I haven't checked it today, but it was working fine tomorrow. Yesterday, I was able to collect my rewards, and so that's one of the signs that you want to make sure everything's going okay. So yeah, these are two new ones. They have really high APR if you want to like take a risk, because this is risky stuff, to see if you'll earn some money. Then these are two new ones that you can try out. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.